Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to rotate listing photos on the Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you are greeted by. Here in the upper right corner, we can get started with logging into your account. So if you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you are greeted by. From here, we can get started with accessing the shop manager. So by clicking the shop manager option right here in the upper right corner, this is going to enable you to go ahead and set up your store if you do not already have one set up. If you have one set up, you can just go ahead and access its settings from the shop manager, and now we can get started with following this Etsy Help Center article right here on how to edit our listing photos, and we have an option on how to go ahead and rotate our photos. So basically guys, you're going to follow this option right here. This is going to enable us to go ahead and edit our images and our listing photos. So we are going to go ahead and follow the steps right here for the Etsy website. So basically how to crop your listing photos. You're going to open up the shop manager just like I explained to you, and then you can choose your listing section right there from the shop manager. You're going to edit your listing by clicking the edit button or create a new listing and then hover over the photo. This is going to enable you to get started cropping the image, and along the cropping option you are going to have the rotate option. It's going to appear on the corners of the image. You can select the rotate option and then rotate it however you prefer to whatever side you want, and so on for 90 degrees until you get the desired result. After that, just click the save button, and once you have saved, apply the changes. It's going to show like that on your listing, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.